This woman never showed her face to her husband. She always believed she wasn't beautiful enough and feared the day he'd stop loving her. But on their wedding day, she made the boldest choice of her life to stop hiding and reveal her true self. Her hands were shaking, her heart racing, terrified of what he might say. Yet deep down, she knew this was her moment. And when he finally saw her face for the very first time, he was completely shocked. I'll show you in a sec. But if you think this kitten's cute, like and subscribe right now. Now look at this baby bunny. If you'd pet him, drop A and love in the comments. And if you'd adopt him, share this video with someone special.